Hello everyone and welcome back to the Lancaster Volkswagen YouTube channel on this lovely sunny day. Today I'm going to be showing you around this lovely 2017 Volkswagen Polo GTI in 3 doors in white. It's also got the upgraded wheels, as you can see. It's absolutely stunning car. It has just come in, so we'll obviously give it a full valet and everything for you before you do collect it, and you also get a full 142 point Volkswagen approved check and 2 years warranty, as well as 2 years roadside assistance should you need it. If you do buy this car on PCP, you'll also get 2 years service plan for free. So you get plenty of peace of mind with a Volkswagen approved used car. And this one is such a nice approved used car. So it's the 1.8 GTI. I'll show you the inside now, tell you a few more features about the car. So it has got DAB radio, you've also got Bluetooth as well, semi-digital dials, so you've got your TFT in the middle and then your analogs on the side. You can see 46,281 miles. Got your 6-speed manual gearbox, really smooth on this car. Centre armrest, you can put out the way if you don't need it, and it also opens. The manual handbrake wrapped in leather, so is the gear stick and so is the sports steering wheel. I'll show you that now. So you've got the GTI badge on it, red stitching, really sporty. The seats are really nice as well. You've got the Jucara cloth seats, the classic heritage GTI check. It's a really nice cloth and very retro. And exclusive to the GTI exclusive to the GTI range. There's your 6.5 inch centre touchscreen with your buttons. You've also got sport mode on this one. Just press that and it'll come up. Driving mode sport, driving mode normal, really useful to have. Got your vents here. It's all very laid out very easily to understand. Glove box, you've got your service history and your handbook in there. And I'll show you the outside of the car and I'll tell you a few more benefits about buying an approved used Volkswagen. So this is the outside again. Like I say, if you do see any scratches, dents or anything that's not typical of the age or mileage of the car, just let us know and we'll get it sorted for you. The boot of the car is surprisingly big on these Polos. Also you have the peace of mind of a spare wheel in there. Great to have. And the boxy design means it's perfect for the weekly shop. It's got more space than you think it does. If you have any questions about this car or any other of our cars for that matter, please do not hesitate to contact us and one of our team will be very happy to help you. We do offer flexible financial options as well as part exchange welcome from any brand. Thanks for watching and we hope to see you soon.